In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play missions in GTA 5 Story Mode. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to browse through the available missions in GTA 5, how to get new ones, and how they work. So you will be able to manage all of your missions by pausing the game at any point during Story Mode. So open GTA 5 on any platform, and when you launch Story Mode, you will be able to browse through all of the menus here. If you go over to Brief, you will actually be able to see the missions that you have active. So as you can see under Brief, you will be able to see the current mission that you have. Now, on this character, on this specific save, I don't have a mission. So it's telling me you are not currently playing a mission. During a mission, information will show here in relation to your progress and any current objectives that you have. So if you actually want to start a mission, you will have to get to certain points in the game. So for example, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to replay one of these two missions. Once I replay this specific mission and I go back to the same menu, everything will be updated with the information about the mission that I'm doing. So basically, you will be using the pause menu at any point to actually get through the missions as needed. So if you go over to Brief, you should be able to see the title of the mission and then any possible dialogue or information that occurs during it. So this is all you have to do. If you get new missions by looking at the minimap and going to specific points, usually missions marked with specific letters, you will be able to get them and play through them as usual. So all that you have to do is progress through the story. Whenever you see points marked on the minimap, these points of interest will be accessible and you will be able to get new missions by going over to them and interacting with a specific NPC or doing specific actions. You will find them all under Brief. So for example, right now I just have to follow Lamar, and you can replay the missions that you have done by going over to Game and choosing the option to replay current missions. I hope I was able to help you on how to play missions in GTA 5 Story Mode. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.